How to fix bad mic quality in Discord. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, once you are logged into your Discord account, you have to go for your user setting. Simply click on that gear icon. Once you are here, you have to go for voice and video under the app settings. Once you have entered here, make sure your input device is set to your required microphone. Once you are done, you have to go for your output device if you want to, otherwise leave it as it default. Once you are done, you have to go for the input volume and make sure it is at least 70 to 80%. Once you are done with that, you can also check it by clicking on this let's check button. Once you are done with that, you have to go for this input mode and go for the input sensitivity and make sure it is about 60-70%, like it will also cancel the background and unnecessary voices. Once you are done with that, go for the advanced options and go for the voice processing and go for the echo cancellation. Make sure it is turned on and make sure go for the noise suppression and make it standard. If you don't know anything about this setting, you just have to reset all the settings and you are good to go. So that's how basically you can fix bad mic quality in Discord.